Don't you love a surprise box? Let's see what perfumes we get in this and if it's worth purchasing again. I love these kinds of things. Don't care what anyone thinks. Love it. I don't know where they're getting these from. I'm very curious. You get this little bag, and then that's inside a bag. So let's lay these out. Let's see. We have, this one says Dolce & Gabbana, light blue, and it's a little spray bottle. How cute is that? I only took that out because it was in this box. I'm not going to take them all out. See, we can see that right there. That's Versace, Givenchy, Hugo Boss. Probably can't see all of them up there. Dolce, Chloe. This one smells so good. That's sticky-ish. Not really sticky, but like something rubbed off on it. Daisy, also a delightful one. Smells very good. Coach. I actually have never smelled this one. I've never even heard of this. I've heard of Salvatore Ferragamo, but Signorina? Signorina, probably. Terrible, terrible accent. Lolita Lempicka? Never heard of this one either. Very pretty bottle, though. This one is Elizabeth James Nirvana. And what's this? Brit by Burberry. Yeah, love Burberry. Let's see how many we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All really nice, well-known brands, except for I only didn't know 2 or 3 of them. Many of these I've smelled before and or tried. A couple of them I have in my own perfume library. Really great little bottles, good size. I think it's a great, fun way to get some perfume samples.